Ever looked at your payslip and thought, where did half my money go? Let's break down how PAYE actually works in under 60 seconds. Hello, my name's Shalom. I'm a chartered accountant working at a bank and I make personal finance content. Now, if that's something that interests you, please give me a follow. Now, PAYE actually stands for pay as you earn, and it's how most people in the UK pay their income tax and their national insurance. It's something that occurs automatically even before the money lands into your bank account. So let's take a look at what happens behind the scenes. Before your employer even pays you, they take off two things. The first thing is income tax, and this is something based on how much you earn. So in the UK, you get a tax-free allowance of £12,570. This is where you pay no tax. Any money you earn on top of this, you actually get taxed at 20%, 40%, or 45%, depending on how much you earn. The second thing is national insurance. This is the money that usually goes to the NHS, state pensions, and other forms of benefits. And most people pay around 8 to 12% of their income. So the net pay is actually what lands in your bank account after the income tax and the national insurance. So here's a fun fact. Let's look at tax codes. A tax code such as 1257L, this basically tells your employer how much tax-free income you're basically allowed. And sometimes they get your code wrong, which means you can either be paying more or less tax. Now, PAYE basically means that we don't need to file a tax return every year. HMRC basically sorts it out automatically. So basically HMRC makes all the deductions before all that money lands into your bank account. Compare this to someone who owns a business, for example. They have to file a tax return because the HMRC doesn't really know how much they earn. So the next time your payslip looks a bit depressing, at least now you know where all that money is going. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to actually break down these different tax codes and what they actually mean.